Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning, and I do appreciate you all. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Lovely greetings to you all. What we have today on our menu is spiced ripe plantain or tatale. It's so quick to make, so let's get started. First, I've got my flour, and it's all-purpose flour. You can use any flour of your choice. I've got my frozen overripe plantain and pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. I've also got my red chopped onions, my red bell pepper, my scallions, got ginger, and with the seasonings, I have anise seeds, black peppercorn, cloves, and star anise seed. I'm going to grind all of these ingredients together and we will continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere. And don't forget to add salt to taste. So family, when I'm done grinding all of my spice aromatics, I'll go ahead and add my overripe plantain just like so, and I'll grind it together. And to avoid going through all these traditional stress, you can use your blender to just do this once and for all, okay? So family, I used 2 ripe plantains for this, okay? So now I'm going ahead to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. That makes it 1 plantain equals 1 tablespoon of flour. I hope my math is working here. Where are the mathematicians? Yes, so go ahead and combine everything nicely together, just like so. Beautiful. Now let's go ahead and add our chopped, healthy and colorful vegetables. Usually you just go ahead and fry the mashed plantain without adding all these chopped vegetables to it. But you know I love me some colors. I don't go without them because I eat with my eyes. And if you're like me, you will love to have all these in your dishes. So family, it's well combined. And now I'm going to fry it. Okay, so keep watching and go nowhere. This is so quick and it's easy to make in no time. All right. Now into the frying pan, I'm adding my zumi palm oil. If you haven't seen the video yet, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Check it out for your own convenience and you will love it. Okay, so that's it. I'm frying the first one. That's my tatale or spiced ripe plantain pancake. Okay, yes, so just add it as you want. The size is all up to you. Okay, either in small or big, it's all up to you, family. Now at this stage, you want to fry this on a low to medium level. And when one side is cooked or fried, you turn it over and then you fry the other side until all the sides or both sides are perfectly fried. And then you take it out of the frying pan. You do this in batches until all of it is done. If you want it crispy, it's all up to you. Wow, family, this is smelling amazing and I cannot wait. It tastes good. Smells heavenly, beautiful. Obviously, one batch is done, so go ahead and then do this until all of the tatale or spiced ripe plantain pancake is all done. This smells amazing. Yeah. So you scrape the burnt part from the frying pan like I'm doing. And then you add a little bit of palm oil if you like, and then you add your pancakes in batches. Wow. Family, if you're enjoying this video so far and it's helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend the channel to friends and families who may also like my amazing recipes. And if you are new, hey, a big warm welcome to you. Thanks for stopping by. You are warmly welcome to this channel. I'm happy to have you here. Please join us by clicking on the red subscribe button. Click on the bell button to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos, and you will never ever regret it. Okay? Also, kindly follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, like my page as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's build this amazing family together. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, enjoy. Take care. Bye all. Mwah. Kiss.